Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech 28 pounds twin tub and the Ubila 15.8L mini washer. If you're living in a small space or just need a convenient laundry solution, you're in the right place. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Auertech portable washing machine is designed for bulk laundry, capable of handling up to 18 pounds of clothes, making it suitable for small households. In contrast, the Ubila portable washing machine is tailored for smaller loads, ideal for delicate items like intimates and baby clothes, with a capacity of only 4.5 pounds. This distinction makes the Auertech a better choice for regular laundry needs, while the Ubila excels in portability and specialized use. When it comes to drainage, the Auertech features a built-in drain pump, allowing for easy and flexible drainage into sinks or drains. On the other hand, the Ubila requires manual drainage, which can be cumbersome, as it involves lifting or tilting the unit to empty it. This makes the Auertech more user-friendly in terms of water management. In terms of portability, the Auertech is moderately portable, weighing 31 pounds and requiring a dedicated space due to its larger footprint. Conversely, the Ubila is extremely portable, weighing only 4.5 pounds and featuring a foldable design that makes it easy to store and transport. This makes the Ubila an excellent choice for travelers or those with very limited space. In conclusion, the choice between the Auertech portable washing machine and the Ubila portable washing machine ultimately depends on your laundry needs. If you require a machine that can handle larger loads and provide effective washing and spinning, the Auertech is the way to go. However, if you're looking for something ultra-portable for small, delicate items, the Ubila is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.